It's a very exciting day here at Vitalab. It is our annual conference we're hosting, and we are very lucky to have 70 delegates that's attending the conference.
I work at Brussels IVF and I flew over. I'm very happy to be here, very glad to visit South Africa and to be invited by Vitalab.
I've just given a talk now on first trimester screening, which we think should be offered universally.
There have been some really interesting talks. It's been a real privilege to speak with the other speakers that were invited, and we've learned so much from everyone.
This was not only a congress, it was more a specific outreach to our gynae support network. So we're investing in the people that invest in us.
I hope that all of you can also enjoy it as you watch the videos in the future and learn a whole lot about fertility and what is new and available at the moment.
It's been a dream of Vitalab to organise a workshop of the nature that we have done, and I just want to congratulate everybody concerned.
I'm representing most of the fertility clinics in the country. We're discussing today fertility law and ethics. It's wonderful to be part of this team.
It's what we enjoy here at Vitalab. We enjoy teaching, we enjoy outreach, we enjoy meeting the gynecologists to refer patients to us and creating this network, which is so important for continuity of patient care.